Hi, fourth grade. Welcome to lesson 3 of Bend 1, Game Board 1. Today, what you're going to be learning about is ratio tables and doing the same strategy we've been doing, using small problems to help us solve big problems. But this time, instead of using an array or an area model, we're going to be using a ratio table. So let's get started reviewing just what a ratio table is. All right. So, important thing to note about ratio tables is that when we use ratio tables, we're thinking about the relationship between two things. So let's look at this first one. We're thinking about the relationship between birds and wings. And then we're also going to be thinking about the relationship between these columns and these columns, but we'll get to that in a second. So think about a bird. How many wings does it have? It has 2 wings. One bird has 2 wings. One group or one bird with 2 wings. Total wings is 2. When we have 2 birds, there are 4 wings. 2 birds times 2 wings each equals 4 wings. 2 birds with the number of wings, which is always going to be 2, equals 4. If we have 3 birds and each bird has 2 wings, obviously, how many wings will we have? Well, 3 birds, 2 wings each, 2, 4, 6. 6 wings. I'm going to fill in my table there. Now, here comes some tricky problems. What if I have 16 wings? 16 wings. I know each bird has 2 wings. Doesn't matter how many birds I have. They always have 2 wings. How many birds altogether would have 16 wings? Well, what times 2 equals 16? 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. So 8 birds have 16 wings altogether. And last one, 10 birds. How many wings do they have? 10 times 2. They have 20 wings. So I just filled out this ratio table to find all of these amounts of different birds and how many wings they have. And I thought about the relationship between these 2 columns. And the relationship is times 2, right? Because each bird has 2 wings. Let's do another one. So for this one, you'll notice the table looks a little different. It's going vertically instead of horizontally. Doesn't matter which way, whichever you prefer is fine with me. But this time we have a box, and each box has 10 cookies in it. So one box has 10 cookies in it. So altogether, how many cookies do we have? 10. Okay, so 2 boxes. How many cookies are we going to have? Well, we have 2 boxes. Each box has 10. We're going to have 20 cookies. 20 cookies. So I'm multiplying by 10 each time. Multiplying by 10, multiplying by 10. Okay, so if I have 4 boxes, not 4 boxes. If I have 40 cookies, how many boxes do I have? Well, I can think of that by saying, what times 10 equals 40? 4 times 10 equals 40. So I have 4 boxes of cookies. If I keep going, let me see. I'm going to erase all this. For 70 cookies, how many boxes would that be? Well, each box has 10 cookies, so I know 7 times 10 would get me 70 cookies. If I have 10 boxes, that would be 100 cookies. And if I have 9 boxes, that would be 90 cookies. Now, I want you to notice, that's a bad 90. I want you to notice that I don't necessarily need to put my numbers up top in order because I'm really just thinking about the relationship between my 2 categories. So in this case, the boxes and the number of cookies in each box. Your job on the next page is to do some more work with ratio tables and filling them out. And then we'll start thinking about how ratio tables can help us solve bigger multiplication problems. Good luck.